Okay, so this is a instructional video for the bass part to Fool's Gold by Jack River. So we should have our lead sheet here, and really there's only two parts that we need to learn. It's a 4-chord song, so there's just the riff, and then the second part is what we play over the chords. So it's just two things we need to learn. So the riff sounds like this. So it's in sort of two halves. So the first half, and the second half is so it's sort of like an A, B, A, C riff structure. So I'll teach you how to play that. So first we want to start with our middle finger on the 6th fret of the low E. That's a B flat note. Then we want to use that pinky to play the 6th, 7th, 8th fret of the A string, and that's an F note. So we got 1, 2, 3, and we hit that 4 times. Then we hit it again, and we do 1, 2, 3, and we hit this note here, which is an E flat. We hit that again, so we go 1 E and so it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we hit this with a pinky. That is a C note. 1, 2, and then we go back to this E flat note on the 6th fret of the A string, and we play this, and that's an E flat to a D. So all together. And then it sort of restarts. So we repeat that again, and then the second time, instead of 1 E and or it's 3 E and a 4, and we have a rest there, so we only play it 3 times. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that's 3 E and E and so instead of 3 E and it's 3 E and So I'll play the riff and you'll get it. First time. And it repeats. So it's the same riff, but on the second time you don't hit one of these notes here. So you just got these notes. So you should be able to figure that out. That's the riff. And then, and I'll have tabs and stuff for this as well. And then in the chorus, it's really, really easy. We hit this B flat note, and it's minims. 1, 2, then to the F, then the C, to the E flat. So you got this box here. So 6th and 8th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 2-bar progression. Some people do this with the pinky. I don't really care, but they're the 4 notes: B flat, F, C, E flat. And just to give you an idea of what that sounds like in context, hopefully you can still see me. It sounds like this. sometimes you just play this, like for example, if this was the chorus, you would just play the notes. But feel free to have fun with it. So that should be all you need, those two parts, to play bass for Fool's Gold.